Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come to you guys and just talk to you guys today about something that's been on my mind for a while, and I wanted to just talk to you guys about it. Okay guys, I just wanted to really just relay a message to somebody whoever's watching this video and that's feeling down and don't feel like just feeling down about themselves and don't feel like they can move forward with anything in their life, guys. And a lot of people are going through like depression and stuff nowadays because so much is going on in the world. But I just want to tell you guys, just keep going no matter what. I started off this YouTube journey with not a lot of support and not a lot of help, but I kept going. And that's what everything that has gone on in my life, guys. For example, I finished high school, but it was a state required test that we had to pass in order to receive a high school diploma. I took the test a numerous amount of time. And the last time that I went, the testing administrator told me, she said, if you come back this time and you take your, the test was called the FCAT. If you come back this time and you take the FCAT and you don't pass it, you will get a certificate of completion. I still was able to walk across the stage. I still was able to graduate, but I got a certificate of completion. And I was not satisfied with that, y'all. I said, I cannot do that. She was like, you can get a certificate of completion or you can just take a GED test. And I was not, and it's okay if you want to get a GED, to get a GED. Furthering your education is furthering your education. It's all the same. Well, it's not equivalent to a high school diploma. But I remember I was working for my uncle. Y'all, as I told you guys, I worked for my uncle. I remember on my 12th birthday, my mom asked me what did I want for my birthday, and I told her that I wanted to work. I know I was a strange child, y'all. I wasn't. I was not like other. I never been like other people. I always been very different. I always just wanted different, and I always seen different for myself. But I told her I wanted to work, so I worked for my uncle from like the age of 12 to 19. And I was working there through my high school years. And like when the breaks came, like the winter breaks and spring breaks, I would be able to make extra money because I could work every day during those breaks. But anyways, nonetheless, that's another subject, guys. It's something else. Anyways, I'm saying that to say this is I was working there, and I'll never forget my Aunt Ruby. She was telling me how important it was. It's a fly here, y'all. How important it is that she was always telling me how important it is for me to get my high school diploma. She always talked to me about that because me and her worked in the back, and she showed me how to cook a lot of different things. She showed me how to do a lot. She just taught me a lot about life, period. And it was just me and her working back there most of the time. And sometimes my uncle, I'll sit back there and I'll talk to my uncle and talk to my other cousin, Aaron, which my son is named after my uncle and my cousin and my grandpa. Fun fact, Aaron, that's who Aaron is named after. And yeah, I used to talk to her, and one day my other aunt and my uncle came, and they was like talking to me about school and stuff, about asking me about did I ever go back, excuse me, y'all, did I ever go back and take the test? And I told them yes, but I didn't pass. I missed it by a few points. So anyways, they was like, so what are you going to do since you didn't, pass the test? Are you going to go and still try to get your high school diploma. And I was just so discouraged at the time. I was like, I don't know. I told them, yes, I want to do it, but I just wasn't like serious. But they got on me and they let me know, you need to get your high school diploma. So my brother, he went to this school that I went to, I got my high school diploma from. My high school diploma look crazy, y'all. I'm gonna get another copy of it though. It was a school called First Coast Academy, which is not open, y'all, anymore. But I still went and I still got my high school diploma. I just didn't want to like go around all the time, help kids and tell my kids that they should finish school, and I didn't even finish school. Like, what kind of sense would that make for me to tell my kids they need to finish and I didn't finish and I didn't do what I need to do? And I wanted to like always be a good example for my kids. Anyways, further on down the line, and years have passed, and I wanted to go to college. So I was going to college. I started going to college for paralegal. I didn't finish because I was working at my job and I got hired on at my job. I worked there for 11 years, guys, before I got terminated. I got terminated while I was pregnant with my last son, Aaron. That's another story. If you guys would like for me to give that story time, I will later on. But this is about me I just hope that I can help somebody who wants to give up on themselves, not give up on themselves, because it's so easy to give up on yourself on this platform. And I'm not going to give up on myself on this platform, because if I didn't give up on myself back then when I was getting my high school diploma, guys, I'm not going to give up on this. But anyways, it took a lot for me to get that high school diploma. I had to, every week after work, I used to turn in my work on Saturdays, and I did that every day. I worked and I did my homework during the week so I could get my diploma. I was supposed to be going to this school called Edward Waters College, but I opted out of going to that school because the tuition cost was just too much for me. I wanted to go to that school because it was in my hometown. It was a historically black college, and I wanted to go there, but I didn't. But I ended up going to Jones College, and when I went the first time, I quit. I was going for paralegal and I quit. But I went back. I talked to one of my I worked for this job, like I was saying, and I talked to my supervisor, which her name is Miss Betty Owens, guys. And she told me, she said, if you want to go to school, because my kid's dad at the time, he got a job working at nighttime, and I wanted to go to school at night after I went to work. And my mom, she was working there as well, but she had stopped working there, and she was taking me, and I moved. So my supervisor, she lived around the corner from me, and she lived around the corner from the school. And she said, if you want me to, I will drop you off to school every day until I retired. So she did. She dropped me off to school every day, guys, until she retired. And then I developed relationships with people at Jones College, y'all, which is closed now too, because I can't remember why it closed. I'm probably gonna put an article up or why it closed or whatever. I can't think of it in a moment. But it closed. It's well. But I'm so grateful and so thankful that I still pursued. I'm thankful that I still pursued and kept going on, because at the time when I was going to school, I found out I was pregnant with my first son, Antoine. But guys, hold on, y'all. That's my son, Anthony, y'all. Let me calm him down first, y'all. And y'all, I'm back. had to get some things in line before I got back on this video. But like I was saying, my supervisor, she was like, you are not going to give up because you are pregnant. You're gonna keep going. You're going to go to college and I will help you through this. And she did, y'all. She kept her word. She was a woman of her word, and I'll never forget that. And also, the dean's wife, she took me home some nights, and this other lady named Alicia, she took me home some nights. And I'll never forget how everybody and it was another girl named Patrice. And I'll never forget because I remember when I was going to school and I thought it was so cool that the lady, I think her name was Patrice, she was already working in medical billing and coding, and they were like reimbursing her money back from for her job and stuff. And she also got a promotion when she got done with the medical billing and coding program, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. But anyways, I ended up finished all 9 months. I was pregnant, and I still finished all 9 months up, y'all. And it was so many people that helped me to get this diploma, guys. And it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, guys, because I was sick. I was having sickness because I go to school on Saturdays as well. And I was having like morning sickness on Saturday mornings, and then I go after work, and then some Saturdays we would have to go. And I finished it all. I finished it, and with this YouTube thing, I'm not going to quit either as well. Because just because you're not doing good on this platform, I'd say always put your eggs in multiple baskets, because you never know what God will bless you with. With that being said, guys, I have an Amazon front store, guys, that if you guys are interested, if you would like the products that you see in my videos, you can go and purchase them. And now I am also, guys, an Amazon influencer. So I'm just so grateful for that. And I have a lot of things in store, guys. It's more to me than being a stay-at-home mom, a YouTuber, a content creator. I really want to always keep my hands in multiple baskets. I don't want to just depend on one thing. I love YouTube. YouTube is like one of my favorite platforms, to be honest. It really is one of my favorites. But at the same time, I want to always keep going and keep putting things in different places. And I'm working on a lot behind the scenes, y'all. I'm keep telling y'all, you guys gonna keep seeing things, because I'm working on a lot as far as my life wise, and things are gonna get better, because I see better things for me and my family. So I'm gonna work hard so that so my kids can have the life that I never had. And I just want my kids to soar. I want to soar. I want to enjoy life and love life and live life. So anyways, I hope that I motivated somebody in this sit down video, because a lot of people, they feel down about themselves and they feel like they can't accomplish things. And I have to remind myself who I am and who God made me. And I know that this thing is bigger than I can ever be. Like, God put me here for something bigger than I could ever imagine. So I'm going to keep working hard, guys, on everything, and keep accomplishing more goals, because I'm not going to stop at this, guys. I'm not going to stop at this, guys, because it's so much more that I want to accomplish in my life, period. So I gotta keep grinding, y'all, because I want to work hard. I want my silver play button. I want the gold play button. I'm going to get it all. And somebody going to look at this and laugh, but they're going to be laughing now. Okay? And they're going to be crying later, because no, I'm not, son. No, I'm not. They're going to be laughing now and crying later, because it's going to get accomplished. Anything I put my mind to, I'm going to work hard to do it. And I advise you guys to work hard at whatever you guys want. Don't let anything or no one stop you. And I'll see you guys in the next video, because my son is all in the background because he want to be on this video so bad. But I'll see you guys next video. Love you guys. And share this video guys out, because I want to really, I want to encourage somebody to do whatever it is that they really want to do. And don't give up, guys. See you next vlog.